Student, today we'll learn some questions related to exercise 5.4. Okay, see, I'm taking one question. E to the power sine inverse x. Okay, solution. Let y equal e to the power sine inverse x. Okay, now see, take this as equation 1. Differentiating 1 with respect to x, we get. Differentiating 1 with respect to x, we get. Okay, see, in the right hand side, in the left hand side, you will get dy by dx equal. See, dy by dx equal. See, suppose this as x. Okay, suppose means think. Okay, think this as x, then e to the power x. Now what is d dx of e to the power x? D dx of e to the power sine inverse x. Okay, so if this is x, e to the power x, d dx of e to the power x means e to the power x. Okay, now differentiate this again, d dx of sine inverse x, the remaining one, or the term you have taken as x. Okay, so e to the power x equal e to the power x d dx of sine inverse x, because we have not done this, so d dx of sine inverse x equal e power sine inverse x. Okay, d dx of sine inverse x means 1 by under root 1 minus x square equal e to the power sine inverse x divided by under root 1 minus x square. So this is the answer. Okay, next let us take again another question. Suppose I am taking number 2 question, under root e to the power root x. Okay, so let y equal under root e to the power root x. Okay, you see, if this is equation 1, differentiating 1 with respect to x, we get, what will you get? See, dy by dx equal d dx of e under root x. Okay, now see, take this term, whole term as x. If you think this term as x, then you will get y equal root over x. Okay, now what is d dx of e to the power, or not e to the power, d dx of root x. D dx of root x means 1 by 2 root x. Okay, so I will get 1 by 2 root x. Now what is x? This whole term I have taken as x, so e to the power root x into d dx of remaining term. This is the remaining term. Okay, I have only thought this as x, so I have to differentiate it again. E to the power root x is equals to 1 by 2 root e root x into d dx of e to the power x. This is x. Now d dx of e to the power x is e to the power x into d dx of root of x. Okay, 1 by 2 root e to the power root x into e to the power root x into d dx of root x means 1 by 2 root x. So multiply all these terms, you will get 1 by 2 to the 4. 1 by means multiply this directly, e to the power root x 2 to the 4 under root e to the power root x under root x can be taken directly. Okay, common, not common, you can bring inside the root. Okay, so e to the power root x 4 root over x e to the power root x. So this is the answer. Okay, let us take another question related to exercise 5.5. Okay, see, I'm showing you number 1, cos x into cos of 2x into cos of 3x. Solution, let y equal cos x cos 2x into cos 3x. Now see, there are three functions. Okay, there are three functions. So this is, suppose this is u, v, w. Okay, then for this type of function you must always take log. Okay, taking log on both sides, comma, we get, what will you get? Log of y equal log cos x cos 2x cos 3x implies log y equal, now you see, log of m n p, then log of, what is log of m into n? Log of m into n equal log of m plus log of n. So what will you get for this? Log of cos x plus log of cos 2x plus log of cos 3x. Okay, so take this as equation 1 now. Differentiating 1 with respect to x, we get, see what you will get, 1 by y dy dx equal log y, you're differentiating with respect to x. Okay, so ddx of log y means you will get 1 by y for log y, and for this y it will be dy dx. Okay, ddx of log x means 1 by cos x into, for cos x you will get minus sin x, again differentiating cos x you will get minus sin x, plus log x, ddx of log x means 1 by x, 1 by cos 2x you will get now, and ddx of cos 2x means minus 2 sin 2x. Okay, plus log of cos 3x means what you will get, 1 by cos 3x into, for cos 3x you will get minus 3 sin 3x. Okay, implies 1 by y dy dx equal minus sin by cos means 10x minus 2 10 2x minus 3 10 3x implies 1 by y dy dx equal, minus take common, you will get 10 2x 2 10, not 2x x. Okay, 10 2x plus 3 10 5x. Now bring this y to the upper side, means numerator. Okay, you will get dy by dx equal minus y 10 of x plus 2 10 2x plus 3 10 3x. Now replace this value of y equal cos x cos 2x cos 3x. So cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Okay, and 10 2x 10x plus 2 10 2x plus 3 10 3x. This is the answer. Okay, next we'll take another question. See, x power x minus 2 to the power sin x. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. So we'll take, let y equal x power x minus 2 power sin x. Okay, now see, you must know this. Okay, x power x can be written as e to the power log x power x. It can be written like this. Okay, so you must know this. So implies y equal x power x can be written as e power log of x power x. This is the formula. Okay, x power x, not for only x power x, everything. A power b can be written as e to the power log of a power b. Okay, because you must know log of m power n equal n log m. Okay, You must know this also. So see, x to the power x can be written as e to the power log x power x. Okay. Minus 2 power sin x can be written as e to the power log 2 power sin x. Okay. So implies y equal now e to the power log of x power n means log of m power n. I have told you log of m power n equal n log m. So what you will get? E to the power x log x minus e to the power similarly sin x log 2. Okay. Now take this as equation 1. Differentiating 1 with respect to x, we get what you will get? Dy by dx equal ddx of e to the power x log x minus ddx of e to the power sin x log x. Okay. Now you see ddx of e power x, take this as x. Now ddx of e power x means e power x, okay, into ddx of the remaining term. This is the remaining term because I have thought this as x. Okay. Minus ddx of e power x similarly is e power x into ddx of this term sin x into log of x. Okay. Equal e to the power x log x into ddx of u into v. So what you will get? If I take this as constant, I will get log x plus if I take x as constant, I will get ddx of log x means 1 by x minus e to the power sin log x, not log x, I think log 2. Okay, not x, this is 2, this is 2, this is also 2. Okay. ddx of sin x into log 2. Log 2 is constant, so you can bring outside. Okay. So ddx of sin x means cos x. Okay. So again, this can be written as e to the power log x power x. Okay. Interchanging again into log x plus 1 minus e to the power log of 2 power sin x into cos x log 2. So is equals to x power x into 1 plus log x minus 2 power sin x into cos x into log 2. So this is the answer. Okay. With this we conclude. Okay, for today. You can see nicely. Okay. With this we conclude.